If you were with us on our last AGI course, we built this particular pistol. It was a stock 1911, and it was rather labor intensive. We did a lot of things to it. Now, if you do not have a machine shop or a lot of equipment and wish to have a really personalized custom 1911, the kit pistol is the way to go. Now, very critical here. Pay particularly close attention. I have a little scraper. You can use a pocket knife, something that's a little harder than the slide. And all we're going to do is from the top portion up here, like we'll say 11 o'clock around to 12 o'clock, using it as a clock face. I just want to take and break that sharp surface, that sharp edge. Okay. Okay, that's all I've done. That's all we need to do. Just take the sharp edge off. Next thing, being the round is coming up, there's a sharp edge right here. We're cutting this surface right here. We're cutting it for depth here and also as far back. How far back do you go? Well, I'll show you. Clean that off. We don't want to come back any further than the bottom of this piece. In other words, we don't want to cut way far back. What gives us the indication is come back until we get a good shiny spot right here. There's two ways to do it. One is one thing that you want to do is to make sure that your firing pin stop fits snugly. If it's real loose, you don't want it, because sometimes during rapid fire it'll come out and you'll lose your firing pin. All right, this is about the way that the firing pin will position your stop in. You can see how it sticks up. That you can do one of two things at this point. You can take a scribe in the other area. Our pin is going to rub here and then cam down over this. The sharper this is, the more force it's going to take and the louder snap that it'll have. So what I do is I usually polish that out, make sure we're going to have a real good smooth surface. You can do it with a dowel and some sandpaper, or if you got a little Dremel motor or a Fordham, you can use some Graytex and do it. Either way. Okay, let's put this together. This is one time where I used quite a bit of oil. Rub it around.